So everything we're gonna need is some Jolly Ranchers, sugar, some strawberry extract, caramel syrup, some grapes, a measuring cup, and some toothpicks. And I'm just starting off by pouring 2 cups of sugar. So we're gonna add in a half a cup of water and then a half a cup of the caramel syrup. You want to make sure everything is thoroughly combined, and then you're going to set the temperature to medium heat. Then I'm just washing off my grapes with cold water in the sink. Nothing specific I'm doing here, just letting water run over all of them. And you just want to make sure that they're thoroughly dry after, and I just use a napkin to pat them dry. And here's how I insert the toothpick inside the grape. I basically insert it on the side that doesn't have that little hole at the top because it makes it easier and more sturdy whenever we're dipping it into the syrup. And here I'm just using my magic bullet to grind up the Jolly Ranchers because I wanted to have a kind of like powdery consistency. And here I'm just taking a cup of cold water and pouring a little bit of syrup in it. If when you feel the liquid and it's hard, that means it's ready. And if it still feels like a soft ball, that just means it needs to cook a little longer. And here I'm just adding in the strawberry extract. I didn't put a specific amount, I just put like a dash of it in there and stirred it up. And you can use any specific flavoring you like. I just wanted the taste of strawberry. Okay, I first start off by having my parchment paper on the counter. I just laid it out flat. Just gonna grab the grape by the toothpick and dip it in the syrup. I kind of had my pouch tilted to the side. Then you're gonna place it in the cup or plate with your Jolly Rancher mix and just kind of scoop it onto the grape. And the same steps apply if you don't want a Jolly Rancher mix on it. You're just going to dip it into the syrup and then just place it gently on the parchment paper. And this is how the grapes came out, guys, and they were so good. Leave a comment below if you guys decide to make these, and thanks for watching.